Digital oven air fryer. Say goodbye to clutter and hello to this multifunctional toaster oven. Enjoy a variety of delicious dishes with ease and convenience using the Chefman Toast Air. No more heating up your kitchen with a full-size oven. Get the same results as a traditional convection oven with the convenience of countertop cooking for faster and more evenly cooked food. This countertop convection oven is a useful tool in any busy kitchen with variable temperature controls and cooking functions to air fry, bake, broil, convection bake, toast, and more, as well as a temperature range from 200 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit to set at the desired temperature. 9 preset options make any kitchen task easy, while the interior cooking light allows you to easily monitor cooking process. The extra-large 20-liter interior can fit up to 4 slices of toast, a 10-inch pizza, or most baking pans. With the highly efficient rapid air technology and high-speed convection system, you can achieve an even, crispy fried texture using little to no oil. The rack positioning is designed for maximum space and even airflow. If using multiple racks, rotate them halfway through for best results. The air fryer function is perfect for cooking once frozen leftover foods and making them taste fresh again. This counter oven features an option to select the desired level of toast, from light to dark. With a 60-minute countdown timer and ready signal bell, you always know when your food is ready. The air fry basket, flat wire rack, broil pan, and crumb tray are easily removable and dishwasher safe for convenience and quick cleanup. Plus, the non-stick interior and digital oven air fryer steel exterior wipe down easily. It's easier than ever to conquer any cooking need with this toaster oven air fryer. Here are the key features of Chefman Air Fryer Toaster Oven XL 20 liters. Dual function cooking. Automatically transitions between cooking presets for precise cooking of your favorite foods. Just set it and forget it. Enjoy your favorite fried food without any extra oil needed. The high-speed convection fans speed up baking and provide that desired fried finish and flavor. 9 versatile presets. This versatile 9-in-1 appliance air fries, bakes, broils, convection bakes, convection broils, toasts, and more. The temperature range of 200 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit makes it easy to achieve a healthy, crispy, fried finish using less oil than traditional fryers, or no oil at all. Make better for you fries that are just as crispy and tasty. Roast a whole chicken, or perfect your avocado toast all in one appliance. XL family size, extra guests, or just extra hungry. Either way, this toaster oven air fryer was thoughtfully designed with the whole family in mind. The spacious 20-liter capacity fits 4 slices of toast, a 10-inch pizza, or whole chicken, so you can make plenty of food for the entire family without heating your oven. Auto shutoff and easy cleaning. For added safety, the toaster oven air fryer is equipped with advanced overheat protection. The included broil pan, 2 dehydrator racks, air fry basket, baking rack, and removable crumb tray are dishwasher safe, while the interior walls are non-stick, making for easy cleanup. Plus, the digital oven air fryer steel exterior is cool touch for even easier operation. Resources, all certified with advanced safety technology for long-lasting durability, and 1-year assurance provided by Chefman, so you can purchase worry-free. For information on how to use your product, scroll down for a PDF user guide and quick start guide. 120 volts, 1800 watts.